I've taken a 4 people. Oh, this one is stopped. We need to go another live on this one.
No, I haven't stopped.
Completed.
No, because
Okay. What is happening?
isn't it when you go live for 30 minutes, it will like just give you rewards.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay. But looks like but there's no people watching now. What is
It is.
where is the number? Is it this one?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. We're still on TikTok as well, guys. So I was just double checking if we still on TikTok. We're still on TikTok. Okay. Right. So we're live on all the 3 platforms, guys. We're trading Nasdaq live, and just closed the first trade for 8.4 pip loss, which is good, so that you guys understand trading is all about high probabilities, and it's all about probabilities, not high probabilities. High probability setups. What time frame are we using? I'm using the 1 minute, man. Cherase Bola. I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name right, man. If I'm not, I'm sorry for that. Cherase Bola. I'm using the 1 minute chart. I'm trading on the 1 minute chart, Nasdaq. And yeah, I'm still waiting for another setup. I was on a buy that pushed against me, and I exited with them.
Did
Yes.
You're never gonna go into like a new,
Why not?
Isn't it? You
Yeah.
close this one.
Yeah.
We're never going to go to the new one.
Okay, so now we are waiting for another setup now. Okay, we're giving another setup, another buy, guys. I'll tell you in a few minutes. I was long. I exited that one long, and we're getting another long setup right now. We are getting another long setup on NAS. So if you're trading Nasdaq, we're getting another long setup. So if you didn't exit that trade, you're still good, but we don't trade like that. When things go south, guys, looks like we are going long. Okay.
If it goes
All right.
up, you're making money.
Yeah, but now remember we exited that trade, so now we need to take a new trade. You see, there's a setup now. See, blue. The buyers are starting to come back in again. Obviously, it's the top of the hour. It's now 3, so usually buyers start exchanging orders at top of the hour.
Okay.
Yeah. So now, okay, we are getting ready. Get ready to buy Nasdaq again. Get ready to buy Nasdaq again. I know we just exited that buy for 8.4 pip loss, but I'm getting ready to buy Nasdaq again. I'm getting ready to buy. Not yet though, but the setup is there. Get ready. Put your finger on the mouse. Get ready to click buy. We need to see. Yeah, it's coming back up nicely, but we need to see more power here. See, this has changed. Right, guys. I'm not going to waste time now. I'm not going to waste time. I just need to see that high being approached aggressively. Then we can start buying a Nasdaq. Okay, looking to buy Nasdaq, guys. I'm looking to buy Nasdaq, not sell. I'm looking for a buy. My setup is saying buy. Okay, not sell, but a buy. Right, strong buy. Okay, there we go. RSI is good. ATR is good, guys. I bought Nasdaq again. I bought Nasdaq again for the second time. I'm on a buy on Nasdaq. So if you didn't exit the first buy trade, you're in profit. But now I'm on a second one. The first trade I exited with an 8.4 pip loss, but this one I'm in. My stop loss is 20 pips, so I've bought Nasdaq again, and my stop loss is 20 pips. And this one is already in profit, guys. It's already 2 pips in profit. It just jumped into my favor. This one just jumped in my favor. So I'm on a buy 1 minute Nasdaq. I'm on a buy. So if you're trading Nasdaq right now, I'm on a buy. Not a sell, but I'm buying. Okay, let's wait and see how this one goes. But the buyers are full in control. The buyers are aggressive. It looks like, yeah. There we go. All right, cool, guys. If you're trading Nasdaq right now, I just entered the buy, and this one is pushing. Let's see if it continues to push like this and takes out those highs.
let's go for 23.
Mommy is not around. When just forget about it.
Mama.
Wait, no. Right, we're on a buy on Nasdaq. Okay, guys, I'm actually going to put my trade on trailing because I need to fetch someone at the gate quickly. I'm going to trail this trade with 20 pips. I'll be back in the next 5 minutes, but just to make sure that I don't come back with nonsense, I'm going to trail this trade for 20 pips. I'm very confident it's highly likely to push up, so I'm going to trail this trade for 20 pips so that if it goes my favor or it jumps my favor, I don't lose out while I'm still out. I'm just going to do this. Right, so I've trailed my trade with 20 pips. I'm just going to leave everything running. I'm going to leave you with this guy, and don't touch any more trades. There's money involved there. Okay. So don't touch anything here. So I'm just going to trail. I'm trailing this trade with 20 pips. I'm just going to go fetch someone quickly, and then I will see you just now. Auntie, okay, do. I'll get me now. Can you have car keys there?
Okay. Hello. It looks like currently we're on like an average market here. So yeah. Just waiting for the 20 pips. Yeah, wait. I just want to check something. Yes. No. Okay. This guy. Not yet. I'm tempted. Angani. Udelithengihlayela. Ngibona ama-trades. Hey guys, what? Okay. So currently the trades are on an average. Like it's going up and down, and yeah. Just an average trade, guys. Just have to wait and see. So yeah. The market's not going too crazy or too good, but yeah, it's just there. Just there. I can see you guys wanna see the market. I'll show you guys the market currently. This is the market's currently. Not it's kind of doing bad, but yeah. just trying to check something. Oh, someone's calling my dad. Okay. The markets are going quite good. I don't know what's happening, but looks like it's going quite good. And yeah, guys, tell me, is it going quite good or what? Because I don't know. Oh, this is my first day, and yeah, just wondering if it's going good. There's a deep.
What does it mean? Okay.
Okay. Just check something. The trades are going quite good, guys. Just saying that so far. So yeah.
Okay. Right. I'm back. My guy, you shifted my seat like my guy.
You don't make it high.
No. Right, guys, we're still on that trade. Okay. All right. So it pushed up and it's playing games there, but the buy is now still locked. So wait, we are live on Nasdaq. Live trading Nasdaq. We're in a buy now. The signal is weakening again. So the signal is slightly weak, but we're still on a buy. We are buying Nasdaq. In fact, we are on a buy. We are not buying, we are on a buy already.
Hello. Nappy.
So we are in a buy Nasdaq, guys. If you're trading, I'm on a buy Nasdaq right now. The signal is a little bit weak. If you didn't take the trade, you can wait a little bit. I'll tell you when the signal strengthens, but I'm already on a buy. I'm already on a buy. So the signal is a little bit weak for now. It's weakening again, even though it's still on a buy. Hold on to your trade. Hold on to your trade.
Excuse me for now.
Any questions, guys? Any questions? Anyone who's trading right now? I'm on a buy on Nasdaq. I'm on a buy. I took a buy earlier and it reversed a little bit, so I closed with 8 pips loss. But I'm actually on a buy again because I've got another setup, So before the other setup disappeared and I had to rebuy again, so I'm on a buy. Who else is trading? Nasdaq right now? We're trading Nasdaq live. The weak signal is weakening again to the upside. But the buy is still locked in, guys. Stop loss 20 pips away. Hold on. Hold on to your trade. Stop loss is 20 pips away. Stop loss is 20 pips away. Stop loss is 20 pips away. So we are on a buy. Okay, the markets are clearly waiting for the open, guys. Looks like the action we're going to get it in the next 18 minutes, 17 to 18 minutes. That's when we're going to get action, because for now markets are just like this. Markets are just going up and down. There isn't really a clear move. There were nice trades in the morning that if you're trading, you took advantage of, and they made money. I made money in the morning, but for now we're still trying to see. Okay, let me restart my TikTok. Let me restart my TikTok live. Okay. Right, guys. Just go live again there. Yeah, please. Yeah, edit topic quickly. Right, guys. We still live. We're still live. Let's see. If you're trading Nasdaq, you're trading Nasdaq live, guys. Trading Nasdaq live. All right.
What is trading Nasdaq?
Right. 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 So, guys, we're still long Nasdaq. Right. Okay. We are live. Okay, guys, I'm long Nasdaq. I'm still long Nasdaq. I haven't closed that trade. I'm still long. I'm still long Nasdaq. I'm still long Nasdaq. Even though the signal is a little bit weak now. The signal is a little bit weak. So I hope it's not one of those trades that will close again with like 7, 8, 10 pips. You know, trading, guys, is about being patient. You can lose 10, 20 pips or 30 pips, but you'll get a trade that will push in your direction and give you 200, 300 pips. So that's trading for you. You mustn't worry when your trade doesn't move your favor right away. The markets are not like that. The markets do not just, at any time they jump in your favor, especially on a Monday. There's thin liquidity, but let's wait and see. Still long. This one I'm still holding because I believe that the buyers are still in control, even though the sellers are there and the buyers signal is weakening. It's not the strongest one right now, but yeah, we're still holding. Okay, we're still holding on this one. But if again it stops setting up, we will exit again. But I'm still long. I'm still long. I'm still long. My stop loss is 20 pips, guys. 20 pips. My stop loss is 20 pips on this trade. So we are trading live Nasdaq. Yeah, the uptrend signal is really weakening. It's not the best now, but the setup is still long. Don't trade binary. Spamanda, never ever trade binary. Never ever trade binary. That's the fastest way to lose your money. Binary is like gambling, guys. Binary is like playing that plane, that gambling plane that goes up and down, and then it cashes out or it disappears. I've seen that game online. Binary is like that. Don't ever trade binary. I don't want to call it a scam, but it's the fast way of losing your money because you see right now, I'm in a trade long. I'm in a long trade, and I don't know whether it's going to continue my favor or push back down. It's not about the time. Trading is not about time. Trading is about the orders coming in and going out. Trading is about orders. So for you to say this thing at this time is going to be here, it's gambling because you don't know how many orders will come in between those periods. So don't never ever trade binary. Never ever trade binary. I saw a question there. What other questions do you have, guys? We are trading Nasdaq live, guys. I'm on a buy on Nasdaq. Yes, I'm taking some hits. It's going against me now. I'm down 5 pips, which is nothing. But yeah, I'm still long. By the way, I haven't closed my long trade. I haven't closed my long trade, even though it doesn't look like the buyers are convincing me enough that they want to take control of this. So let's wait and see. Okay. But we're still long. We're still long because the setup is still long. All right. Looks like the buyers want to take control now. I see that push there. Let's wait and see. All right. Trading Nasdaq live, guys. Call your trader friends. Tell them that Mdlalose is live and trading Nasdaq live. Sister, can you make me some tea, please? Tea. Tea will do me good right now so that I can think properly now. I'm joking, guys. I don't think I react. When I trade, I don't think I react. I simply look at what the markets are telling me to do. I simply do that. Okay. I simply react. I don't analyze the markets. This is another important thing that you need to understand about trading. In trading, you do not analyze the markets. You simply follow what the markets are telling you to do. Follow the orders. Follow the smart money. You don't have to guess what the markets will do. You just have to follow. It seems like my YouTube people are nowhere to be seen. It's maybe because I don't have a video, so people tend to lose focus because I don't have a video. I only have audio, so I don't know. I don't know. Call your trader friends. Tell them Mdlalose is live on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Trading live. We are trading live. We are trading live. So, guys, it's not convincing. Okay, it's 10 minutes before the session opens. Personally, I don't like trading the session opens because things can go crazy quick. You know, I like to trade. Oh, someone says we are selling today. Tevin says we are selling Nasdaq. Okay, man. Okay, maybe I will sell with you later. I don't know. But for now, I'm buying. For now, I'm on a buy. Maybe I might sell if I get a sell signal. But for now, on my side, I have a buy signal. That's why I'm focusing on a buy. You know, this is the good part about trading. The good part about trading, someone else will see a sell, like what Tevin is saying. Someone else will see a buy. You see, right now in the market, I see a buy. Tevin is saying we are selling today. It's cool. If it's set up for a sell, trust me, Tevin, I'll be selling with you. But for now, I don't see a sell. I'm on a buy. Right now, I'm on a buy. Are there any comments, guys? Do you use price levels like previous lows and highs? They help, man. But honestly speaking, I try to make trading easy now than before. I know you'll see that I used to look at the highs and the lows and stuff. Yes. Now I'm more advanced that I don't focus on those things too much anymore. I look at them, but I don't focus on them so much that I end up losing the focus on trading. So they work, but there's better things to focus on than looking at the highs and the lows. So that was a good question from Gino Ginelli. All right. Okay. Now things are about to go crazy. The session open is coming, you know. So I hate trading session opens because it's anybody's guess. It's like the news. You don't know. Remember when our markets open, that's when the orders start coming in. You know, that's when the buyers and the sellers start battling. So now you might be surprised and see maybe this trade going against me or going in my favor right away because of the session open. Now, 8 minutes before the session open. And honestly speaking, I hate session opens. It's just like trading the news. If I'm not in a trade before the news, I wait until after the news is done, then I start trading. Okay. Right. So the market is pushing down again. Let's see if we have a sell set up. Not yet. Not yet. So I don't have a sell setup as yet. My stop loss is 20 pips away, and I'm still holding my buy. But if it's sell is setting up, guys. All right. Now we are selling. Yeah, it's a session open. It's the session open. Now I have a sell signal. So I'm going to close my buy with another 12 pip loss. So I'm down 20 pips on these two trades. and now there's a sell. There's a sell on my platform. There's a sell, but the problem now, the session open is coming now, so it's coming in 8 minutes. So I don't know if I'd like to sell because I hate trading the session open, but my setup that I have right now is a sell. Okay, usually before the session opens, you will actually have a lot of okay, for Instagram, guys, I'm coming back in. The live is about to end, so I'll look back in again and continue. But I have a sell setup right now that hasn't completed as yet. I have a sell setup now that hasn't completed. I'll tell you now if it's ready for, if I'm going short. But I've closed that trade. So guys, please note, I've entered 2 trades. The one I lost 8.5 pips. The one that I just closed now, I lost 12 pips. So I've lost total of around 20 pips. It's absolutely nothing. If you're wrong, get out. If you're right, hold on. There's things that will show you if you are right that you need to hold on. So wait a minute for now. There was a short sell setup. It's not really strong. It's not really strong. But there's a sell setup now on Nasdaq, not a buy. There's a sell setup on Nasdaq, not a buy. So guys, Instagram, I'm coming. My live is about to end, but I will restart another one. I'll restart another live, but so far the markets are not giving us a clear trade direction. But the sell is in. There's a sell setup. So I just want to wait a little bit and see more sellers convincing me that we are going down. But there's a sell setup right now on Nasdaq. Sell setup on Nasdaq. It's not yet convincing. So the markets will do this until the session opens. But I'm going to stop this live and come back on another one on Instagram because this one is about to end. And also on YouTube, there's another one that is about to end as well. Let's discard this video.
What's a broker?
Where you trade from. Okay, wait, is there a question like that? Okay. Mngobi, Nyanda, what are the reasons for the buy? Okay, at that time there were strong buyers. Now they've faded away. The buyers have faded away. The sellers have faded away. We are now in a neutral mode again. So, but the sellers are trying to push the markets, and the sellers are trying to take control. So I'm looking more for a sell now than a buy, because now it looks like we are pushing down. But because of the session open, I'm very careful on what trade I take now. So I was hoping that we get these trades starting to move before the session open. But now that the session is coming, very, very careful now, because in 3 minutes time, the order will be executed. The market will start going up and down. So I prefer to wait about 5 to 10 minutes after the session is open before I decide to jump into any trade. So yeah, for now, guys, wait. I'm not in any trade. I'm not in any trade because right now the markets are sort of like balanced. There's no clear winner. There's no clear buyer. There's no clear seller. You know, I had a blip of short setup. I don't know if I can show you guys, but we've got about 2 minutes before we decide. We've got about 2 minutes before we decide, but preferably you wait about 10 to 15 minutes after the session is open. But if we get a clear setup right now, we'll jump on it. That is more aggressive trading. You know, that is more aggressive trading. So now the orders are coming in and out. You see price pushing up, pushing down, pushing up, pushing down. Let's see. Looks like the sellers want to take control, but there's still a quite a lot of buyers as well left in the market. So let's wait and see, guys. Let's wait and see.
Yeah.
Let's wait and see. Another 2 minutes. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right. Let me have some tea. And we have around 1 minute 20 seconds before we decide whether we are jumping in or we are chilling. No, it's upstairs. It's upstairs, guys. My phone is upstairs. Right, guys. You see the crazy part is now that buy is going back up again. The buyers are stepping. That's what happens before the session open. The orders are coming in and out. So for you to know exactly what's going to happen with that probability, it's crazy. Right now, I don't have a setup. I was on a buy. I exited that buy. Right now, I don't have a setup. I'm simple watching. If I get a setup in the next 2-3 minutes, I will jump in. So right now, I'm just watching. Right now, I'm just watching. What is it?
It's a gift that you get from TikTok.
Is it?
Well,
I don't even know what is that. Right. Right, guys. I'm going to tell you when I'm jumping into another trade. So we are trading Nasdaq Live. For my TikTok guys, we are trading Nasdaq Live. We want to buy. I simple exited. I'm gonna buy, guys. I'm gonna buy. Okay. Now we are. So the buyers are back now. Let's wait and see. I was on a buy, exited my buy, guys, because I wasn't getting a clear trade direction. This is what happens. This is what happens now. You see that buy was actually the right side of the markets, but let's wait and see if this locks in. If this locks in the next 30 seconds, I'm taking a buy. I'm going to wait for 1 minute because there's a buy setup right now on Nasdaq, but I'm going to wait until the candle closes. If the candle closes this one, I am buying Nasdaq. You see, guys, we should have had all our buys were okay, but anyway, it's part of trading. But now, okay, guys, I'm jumping in on a buy. I am jumping in on a buy. The setup is there. Nasdaq, I'm on a buy, guys. I'm on a buy on Nasdaq. The markets are just going crazy now. 1 second. Right, guys, there's a buy setup right now, so I'm not hesitating. I've fired. I'm on a buy on Nasdaq again. I know those other buys were all correct. We should have held, but it's part of trading. There's a buy setup right now, so I just hope it it doesn't do what the other buys did and starts weakening and start going crazy. So I'm buying Nasdaq. I bought Nasdaq. I know we had 2 previous buys that I closed because they were not playing ball, but yeah, now I'm on a buy. So let's see if we can recover those 20 pips that we lost earlier on those trades that we closed early. But I'm on a buy. Right, it's pushing. Trade is up 7 pips. It's pushing in that direction. Let's see. Okay. Just leave it. Just leave it. Okay. Right, guys, I'm on a Nasdaq buy. I'm actually up 15 pips, so I'm close to recovering the pips that I lost earlier. I'm close to recovering whatever I lost earlier. I think I lost about 21 pips. Now I'm up 15 pips. So let's wait and see. I'm on a buy on Nasdaq, guys, 16 pips. Let's wait and see. My buys were fine, just that they were not going my favor right away. That's why I had to close. But now, do me a favor. This is the time to move stops to break even. If you're in this trade, I'm up 13 pips. So how many? 13 pips. Now it's time to move stops to break even because this is a session open. You can get another candle slamming down against you right away. If you took that buy on Nasdaq, stops have been moved to break even. Stops have been moved to break even on this trade. I don't know why my platform is sort of like Okay, guys, I'm up 16 pips. Let's wait and see. I'm on a buy on Nasdaq. I just bought Nasdaq about 2 minutes ago.
How much is 15 pips?
It depends on how much you've invested. I'll show you all those things. Don't worry. Don't you worry. Guys, my stops have been moved to break even, so I'm not going to lose anything on this trade. If it goes against me, it's a zero loss trade. My stops have been moved to break even. The trade went up 16 pips, and I've moved my stops to break even, but I'm still on a buy. I'm still on a buy on Nasdaq. But yeah, we are buying Nasdaq, guys. We bought Nasdaq anyway. Let me say that I'm buying. We bought Nasdaq. Looks like the buyers are firmly in control. So yes, right, there we go. The buyers are still ruling here, guys. We're on a buy Nasdaq. We're up 18 pips. Our trade is cruising right now. Let's wait and see if it continues to make higher highs. But so far, looks like but it's session open. Anything can happen now. As long as you've moved your stops to break even, hold on to the trade. Yay! All right, guys. Bought GBP USD. You bought GBP USD too. Okay. I don't trade currencies, guys. I hate currencies. I think they're nonsense. I think they're difficult to trade. I don't think. Yeah, I hate currencies. I love my Nasdaq. You see now it takes the direction it goes. Now I'm up. Hey, push. I'm up 20 pips now, guys. I'm up. Oh, there we go. There we go.
27.
There we go, guys. I'm up 25 pips. So whatever I lost earlier, guys, I've recovered all of it if I decide to close now. But I am not closing this trade now because I'm targeting. I don't know. I'm not targeting anything. I'm actually going to kick in my trailing now. I'm going to kick in my trailing. I'm going to trail this trade right now, guys. I'm going to trail this trade for about 20 pips. Trail. I'm going to trail this trade. Custom period. I'm trading this trade now. I'm going to trail this trade with 20 pips, guys. Just to, yeah, I've moved. I'm trailing this trade for 20 pips. I'm up 21 pips now. I'm up 21 pips, but I'm trailing this trade now. So, yeah, it's looking in. As it goes up, it's looking in a few pips. I'm still on a buy. I'm still on a Nasdaq buy. Let's wait and see. Okay, there's something slowing down my PC. I don't know if it's the right, guys. We are cruising now. We're up 25 pips on this trade. We are up 25 pips on this trade. I'm actually going to yeah, I'm trailing this trade, guys. So it has locked in about, I think, 10 pips or something, but we are cruising, guys. Look at that trade. It's flying. I'm up 28 pips on that trade. I'm up 30 pips on this trade. Look at that. Look at that. Look at 32 pips. We are cruising, guys, on this trade now. 37 pips. Oh, shit. 40 pips, guys. 40 pips. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We are now on 37. Now we are now on 37 pips. See how my trading has kicked in there? My trading has kicked in on that Nasdaq trade. I'm still holding on my buy, but I'm trailing the trade, guys, because I don't want an instance where I become very grumpy because I've closed the trade prematurely and I didn't make money out of it. So I'm trailing the trade. I think I've locked in. Let me tell you right now. If it kicks me out, at least okay, I've locked in 18 pips. Okay, I'm out. It took me out. That spike took me out. So I've made 18 pips. I've regained everything. Now I'm waiting for another setup. If it gives me another buy trade, I'll jump in. So that trade has kicked me out for 18 pips profit. If it gives me another buy, I will buy. But for now, I am watching on the sidelines. So if you bought with me on that trade, at least you made money. You know, at the previous two trades, guys, I was on buys, but just that I don't want to be stubborn and hold on to trades that don't look like they are going to move in my favor. I'd rather lose 10 pips and make 100, 200, 300 pips. That's me. So I don't hold on to a trade. So that trade has kicked me out. There's a pullback. Let's wait and see if this pullback is sellers pushing over or what. So if you got in there, if you're still in, the buyers are still there. But let's wait and see. These are markets, guys. Anything can happen anytime. We cannot end up having a sell trade right now here. That's how crazy the markets are. That's why you do not analyze trading. You do not analyze the markets. You do not guess what the markets will do. So there we go. Are you learning or you busy on your phone? I'm enjoying my tea, guys. I'm enjoying my tea. Now I'm standing in the sidelines. I'm not trading now. I'm waiting for another setup. Remember that buy trade, it made me 18 pips because it just kicked me out with trailing.
So
yeah.
For those pips that you made, right? Is that like money?
Yeah, it's money.
So where does the money go?
I'll show you when I'm done trading on my trading platform. It's there. You'll see it here. You will see exactly how much you made in the trade.
It'll probably convert to like rands, then go to your account.
Yeah, just withdraw to my account.
Oh, okay.
I can't even see you on my camera. You're asking question. You're not even on my camera here, my guy. Okay, like this guy. Right. If you're still on that buy trade, maybe you're lucky. Hold on. But for now, let's wait and see. Looks like the buyers are stepping in one more time. Looks like the buyers are saying hello to you. Facebook. Hello, Karine. How are you doing, Karine? So, guys, I'm live on all the 3 platforms. I'm live on Facebook. I'm live on Instagram, and I'm live on TikTok, and I'm also live on YouTube. We are trading Nasdaq live, guys. We are showing you in real time how to make money in trading. Right. So that trade just kicked me out. So with 18 pips. So I'm waiting. I was on a buy. But if it gives me another buy now, I think I'm preparing to take another buy. There we go. Looks like it's coming in again. And yes. There we go. Guys, if you're trading, I've taken another buy again on Nasdaq. I've taken another trade again on Nasdaq because the buyers are back again aggressively. They are pushing the markets up. The other trade kicked me out with 18 pips. I was trailing the other trade, so it kicked me out, and I've actually re-entered another trade because it looks like the buyers are coming back again to break those highs. So yeah, the buyers are still in there, hanging in there now. But let's see. Remember, I'm trading the 1 minute chart, guys. I'm trading the 1 minute chart. So you get in, you get out. You don't stay in a trade for a long time if you think it's not going in your favor. There we go. Looks like it's breaking. It wants to break those highs again. I know there's a gentleman who said we are selling today. So I hope you adjusted and took a buy, So I hope you didn't stick to that sell and crash your account, because as I said, that you follow what the markets tell you. You don't do your own thing when you're trading. So right, the buyers are pushing up again, guys. Let's see if we maintain this. So this trade that I just took now is still hanging in there. It's not much, nothing to be excited about. But yeah, I'm on a buy on Nasdaq again. I'm on Nasdaq buy. Okay, so the buyers are really pushing on Nasdaq, guys. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. That's how we do it, guys. That's how we do it. Boom. There we go. That trade is up 12 pips now. I'm moving stops to break even. This is my second trade, guys. Remember the other one I made money out of. So I'm moving stops to break even on this one. And I'm kicking in my trailing again. Trail. So that you don't get away in the market without making money. So I'm up 14, 15 pips. Oh, boom. Yes. There we go. Boom. That's how we do it live, baby. There we go. So my trailing is, sorry, my stop loss has been moved to break even. I'm actually going to be trailing the trade and make more money out of it. Yeah, I'm on a buy on Nasdaq. See, my stop loss has been moved to break even, and yes, boom. Still up 13 pips. If it kicks me out, I don't care. It's part of trading. The market has decided to reverse. I do not care. But I've kicked in my trailing. I'm still in the trade. This is my second trade long. The other one kicked me out with 18 pip loss. So the other trades I lost. The other trade is recovered almost 90% of it. This is my profit trade now. My cheese. There we go. 18 pips up, guys. Boom. If it's in Nasdaq trade, if you're long Nasdaq, I'm sure you're smiling right now. We called it in real time, baby. There we go. I'm up 23 pips, guys. This is now profit. This is now profit. Now I don't have to worry about anything. This is now profit on my account. I've recovered whatever I lost on those two previous trades and the other smaller losses, but now I'm cruising, guys. I'm cruising. Look at that. This thing is cruising. There we go. Boom. Guys, I'm kicking in my trailing now. I don't want to not make money out of this trade. Let's trail this thing in a 20 pip trail. Right, guys. I don't want to get into a trade and not make a little bit out of it. So I'm trailing this one. Move stops have been moved to break even. Let's wait and see. Still up 17 pips. That's a healthy margin. Daily Trader SA, that's a massive move, man. That's a massive move. That's a massive movement. I hope you caught it, eh? I hope you caught that movement. I caught it long. I'm still long now, guys. I'm still long Nasdaq. I hope you guys caught that move, and we're still holding on to it. Let's see. This is trading. If it decides to come against me, I don't care. I do not care, guys. I will keep on holding. There we go. Let's see if it takes out this high. There's a slight pullback. It's okay. Markets will do what the markets will do.
20 pips.
The markets will do whatever the markets will do. If the trade comes against me and kicks me out on break even, I don't care. I can sit with you and do this over and over again and show you how it's done. And you don't have to worry about one trade. If it kicks you out, it's fine on break even. There's going to be other trades that we're going to make money out of. So you must just relax and just focus on what you see on the charts. Okay? All right, guys, it's going back up. It's going back up. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Break those highs. Let's see. I'm still up, guys. Healthy. I'm up 20 pips on this one. So my trailing is now starting to protect my profits here. There we go. There we go. There we go. We are trading Nasdaq Live, guys. If you're wondering why this live, we are trading Nasdaq Live. We are on a buy on Nasdaq, guys. We're not charging anything. We're not charging a dime. We don't care about people charging people. It's okay. It's their business. Some of us, we are traders. We focus on trading. We focus on making money in the markets. So there we go. There we go. It's trailing. The trailings are in, guys. The trailings are in. So let's not panic. Trailing is in. Trailing is in. So still up 20 pips, but looks like the buyers are still fighting. The buyers are still fighting hard. So we don't know. If it reverses, it's fine. It's part of trading. But already right now, yeah, it really trying to pull back now. Let's see. It might be a pullback. It might be a reversal. You don't have to care. So my trailings are already in. So if it pulls back and takes me out, I don't have a problem. I don't have a problem. It's part of trading. What can we do? Okay. My trailing, I'm still up 18 pips. My trailing is giving me a few pips. Let's see. It has moved up by 5 pips at least. So if this trade kicks me out, I'm getting 5 pips out of it. So I'm okay. I'm okay. I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't mind. But now if it goes back above those highs, then I'm good. Why trailing? Because you want to make sure that when your market pushes in your favor and it goes 100 pips in your favor, it locks in. And when the markets decide to go crazy and reverse against you aggressively, at least you don't lose anything on your account. It's all about protecting your account and making sure you protect your account. Trading is all about protecting your account, guys.
Did you see I'm gonna hit 1,000 likes
Wait,
on TikTok?
is it? I don't even know how these things work, Josh. I mean, all I know is just to trade. I mean, I'm just a trader, dude. Okay, guys, we're still on in on Nasdaq long, but now I hate the fact that the Nasdaq is doing this now. It might be a pullback, it might be a reversal. That's trading for you because there's other people that are closing now and taking their profits. That's why they are weakening this uptrend. That's why trading is very, very important, and moving your stop losses to break even is very, very important. So let's wait and see. I'm still up 8 pips. It looks like it's going to break me even and get 5 pips out of it. Not yet. I'm still in it, but the buyers are weakening now. The buyers are weakening. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Looks like the buyers are struggling now. The sellers want to take over. We don't have a sell setup, guys. I'll tell you when there's a sell setup. Right now, it's just the buyers weakening. Right. I'm out with 5 pips on this one. Just kick me out with 5 pips. So it's fine. It's fine. Let's wait and see. If you're in the trade, you've moved your stops to break even from down there. You're still holding. Good for you, but I'm out. So 18 pips from the other trade. This one I've made 5 pips. And then, yeah, let's see if we get another setup. I'll tell you if we get another setup long. So Wade kicked me out. He wants to go back up. There's a market, but it's okay. It's part of trading. It's part of trading. There we go. If you're still holding long, well done to you. But I'm actually out. My trailing kicked me out with 5 pips. My trailing has kicked me out with 5 pips. So I don't know whether it's going to go back up or down. I don't care what it does. I'm just simply waiting for the next setup now. I'm not going to cry over a trade that I didn't know. If it was going my favor, it was going to push hard in my favor and not do this nonsense. But it's fine. We don't care. We trade what the markets are giving us. We don't guess. So now you see it's pulling back. So this might be a reversal, guys. This might be a reversal, and we might have sellers now. You see? That's why it's very, very important not to be stubborn when you're trading the markets. When you're trading the markets, I don't know what's happening. My phones are complaining about chargers and wara. Okay. All right, guys, I'm currently in no trade. So I'm currently in no trade. I'm still waiting for another setup. The market is pushing back down and I'm out. I have to tell you guys that I'm out. So this might be a pullback. We might get a sell now. The way it's aggressively pushing back down. Yeah, we need to offload some file. Oh, check it out. Guys, you see how it's aggressively going down. These are markets, guys. Don't be stubborn when you're trading. When you're trading, focus on what the markets are telling you and focus on it only. So I've exited that buy. Now I'm waiting for a short setup. Yeah, we might get a short here. We might get a short setup. Look how aggressive. So now you see, if you did not close the trade, or if you didn't put your trading and you did not put a stop loss, or you did not move your stops to break even, now you are kicking yourself and like, but why? I should have closed. I should have. Don't worry. Trailing will take care. Whatever it's impossible to you. You know, just trail your trade. If you get kicked out, it's okay. It's part of trading. Now, you see that aggressive reversal now. Aggressive. And another thing, guys, when you see a trade, jump onto it if the setup is good. Don't wait forever and ever and ever and ever. That's what makes people lose money. If I jump in a trade, I jump in a trade right away. All right, guys, we're trading Nasdaq Live. We're trading Nasdaq Live, and we've got a short setup. Not yet, but looks like the sellers are coming back in. Let's look at the 5 minutes and see what is things. Where do we stand? See, it was always going to do that, guys. Remember, when the markets push up in one direction, they have to pull back. So it was always going to do that. So if you didn't close your trade, all right, we don't have any sell set up for now. Let's wait for the next trade, guys. Let's wait for the next trade. People have taken profit up there. That's why the markets are doing this. The markets are random. You must understand that the markets are random, and you have to make sure that you understand the randomness of the market. You don't have to be stubborn. You just have to follow what the markets tell you to do and follow what the markets are saying. Guys, invite your trader friends. Invite your trader friends. We are trading Nasdaq live. We are trading Nasdaq live. I'm not in any trade now. I'm just waiting for I'm just waiting for another setup, guys.
There is someone sit there who's known me since 2016.
I know a lot of people, my guy. This guy. All right. You're going to be doing this daily, guys. Let's do this daily and have fun. Okay. Let's do this daily. Well, I still want to do it. Who knows? One day I might not want to do this. But now, okay. Now we've got sellers now really taking control, guys. But now, it's very, very important to understand that you can't have a bias when you're trading. You can't stick to one side and say, no, I want to buy, I want to buy, I want to stick to a buy. Remember, I was in a buy, I exited. I went to another buy, I exited, and the markets pushed my favor. So if those buys were not exited, I wouldn't have lost that. But we do not trade with hope. Guys, we've got a short setting up now. Nasdaq, we've got a sell setting up, not a buy. We've got a sell setting up now. I know people are still holding on a buy. They're going to get punished. Guys, we've got a sell setting up. I'm going to tell you soon when I'm jumping in short now on Nasdaq. That's what the markets are telling me now. And I'm not going to argue with that. And I'm going to follow. Not yet. Not yet. I'll tell you now, but there's a short setting up. I'm ready to sell Nasdaq again. Not buy now. I'm now looking for a sell. I'm looking for a sell now, guys. I'm looking for a sell. I'm looking for a sell. I'm looking for a sell. But I just need to wait a few more minutes to be convinced on this sell. No. Buyers took out those sellers. So wait. Buyers came and took out those sellers. There was a sell setting up at some stage. It was ticking, telling me, you're about to get in, you're about to get in. Gone. It's gone now. That's why it's very important to wait for the candle to close before you jump into trade. Do not just take a trade because you want to take a trade. I've entered shorts on that high. That's good for you, man. Well done. I know a strategy that works very well when you chase like that and chase the highs and the lows. But when the markets are strong, the strategy is a little bit dangerous. You might pay a lot for that. So, yeah. I don't want to say much, but I know a strategy that chases the highs and the lows. And yeah. Right, guys, I'm not in any trade now. There was a short setting up, but it just disappeared. Okay, now we got a long setting up now. We've got buyers coming back again. Not yet. I'm not yet in a buy, guys. I haven't bought as yet. But someone asked me about US30. I don't like US30, man. I find US30 too fast for me. It's too aggressive. Kolofelo, US30 is too aggressive for me, man. It doesn't give me enough time to think, whereas Nasdaq gives me time to think, you know? Guys, we've got a short setting up on Nasdaq. For people that are holding on to that buy, the way things are going now, they might get blown out now. Eh? The markets might hunt their stops now because now the sellers are really pushing the envelope now. They're like, yeah. Guys, short setup coming in. I'm getting ready to go for a short now. Getting ready to go short on Nasdaq. I'm getting ready to sell Nasdaq. I think I'll sell Nasdaq. Just give me 1 second. I'm getting there. Hey, Reba, what's up? What's up, my guy? We're trading live here, man. Yeah, no, the sellers disappeared again. Guys, it's very important to be patient when you're trading because if you're not patient, you'll make wrong decisions here. You see, you're on your phone, you are not learning. Come closer. Let me show you something. This guy, I'm teaching him to trade and he's busy on his phone. You see now, we haven't had a sell setup, right? So what we need you see, yeah, we need this thing to change red. And let me show you something. We need this to go red and agree with this one and this one. You see now it's still blue. In fact, it's not painting anything, right? So we need now these two to turn blue, and when they turn blue and this one turns blue, we've got another buy. You see, these are volume indicators that tell us which direction of the markets we want to be on. So we are looking at the volume. So the trick is to understand the colors. Blue means what? Buy. Up. Red means what?
Down.
Down. Right, guys, we've got a long setup on Nasdaq. Not yet, but Nasdaq is starting to push back up again. So if you stood that hit, then yeah, you are lucky. But the buyers are trying to come back in, and I'm looking to buy Nasdaq. I'm looking to buy Nasdaq. Guys. I'm looking to buy. Not yet. I'm still waiting. So you see, there's nothing here. These buyers are not strong. You see here? It's red. You see it's red as well. So this means that these buyers are trying to come in, but they are not strong. So right now you fold your hands and do nothing. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah. You only go blue, and red. Do you understand? See the earlier trade that we took here. Blue. Do you understand? Let me put this so that we understand better. Let me move that thing so that we understand what happened. You see, blue, you buy, you made money. All right, guys. We are looking to go long Nasdaq if it continues. But right now, guys, listen, if you're trading Nasdaq right now, there's nothing. Please, I don't know if you're in profit, close. If you're not in profit, small loss, just wait. Because right now, Nasdaq is undecisive. These guys are back and battling out. These guys are fighting. These guys, there's no clear winner. There's no one who's actually winning on Nasdaq right now. Don't worry about what happened before. It doesn't matter. The most important is what is happening now that you can see on your charts now. So right now, there is no one that is winning between the buyers and the sellers. You just have to wait. There's nothing there, guys. There's nothing. Do you do mentorship? Not anymore, Sponiso. I don't do mentorship anymore, mainly because I've had bad experience with mentorship. Because okay, buyers are coming in there. I don't like to teach people because
So what does the green mean?
green means that prefer for a buy.
Oh.
Yes, means that the
Okay,
buyers
so
are trying.
you see.
Okay, guys, buyers are. Oh, look at that candle. The buyers are back. Nasdaq. The buyers are back. But I'm not buying as yet. But the buyers are back. By the way, just have to get more confirmations. The buyers are back, but I'm not yet in, guys. If you're still on that buy, the earlier buy, good luck. You're still making money. You're back in making money. But for now, I am waiting. Which one?
For iPhone.
Oh, bring the charger, dude.
She's at the charger.
Bring the charger and the power bank quickly.
How big is it?
But there's so many cables here. Tell Sissy to bring the thing.
Sissy, let me open. I mean, let's charge.
Guys, I'm not buying as yet. As I said, I'm not buying as yet. I don't like that big candle. Those big candles usually they reverse right away, so I don't like this big huge scan. I'm waiting. I'm not in any trade, but I'm looking to buy Nasdaq if it sets up now. The first sign of buyers is coming, but I'm not buying this thing. I don't trust it now. I have to wait until it gives me a clear signal. You see what I was talking about? That's why I said the buyers were not yet. I'm not yet buying because I know these guys like to suck into people and make sure that they take the wrong side by making them go long. Guys, can I have the charger? So guys, wait. It's the waiting time. It's now a waiting game. The market is in the middle. There's no one who's dominating. And there's no one who's actually winning here. So let's wait and see. Okay, there we go. Right, at least it's charging now.
Can you also take this one?
Okay. Right, guys. If you're wondering why we live, we're trading Nasdaq live. We are trading Nasdaq live. So, guys, wait. If you're not in any trade, just wait. The markets are just in that undecisive phase where they're playing games. This is games, but buyers are coming in on Nasdaq. But I want to get in when things are like nice and soft. We want the soft life. We want the soft life, guys. We don't want just to trade. We want to trade when things are like nice and cool and smooth. Guys, how long did it take you to become profitable? It took me about 6 to 7 years, man. Let me say 7 years. That's how long it took me. 7 full years. I used to make money, lose it, make money, lose it, make money, lose. Live a little bit and enjoy a little bit, and. But then after 7 years, that's when I started seeing real money. Now it's my 12th year. Now I'm cruising, guys. Now I am cruising. Now I am killing the market. You'll see now when the market sets up that we don't play games. We kill them. So now I'm just chilling, guys. Okay, the buyers are coming in on Nasdaq. They're approaching back that high. Now it's a strong buy, but I'm still waiting for one more confirmation. One more confirmation. You're explaining why you don't do mentorship. Okay. I don't do mentorship because I believe that trading is not for everyone, and I believe that trading is difficult. So for me to mentor you, you give me your money, I mentor you, and then you fail, and then you blame me and say, my guy, I'm failing because you didn't teach me well, But I'll teach you what I know. What I know makes money, but you'll still fail. That's trading for you. For some strange reason, trading messes up your head. Even if you get the best strategy, you will still move on and look for something else and mess up your head and still fail. You know what I'm saying? So trading is all about following the rules and making sure that you understand the rules. So the reason why I don't mentor is because people will still fail even with the best trading system in the world. People will struggle to make money in this game. And when they struggle because they gave you money, they will start blaming you. So I don't want to be involved in that blame game. Unfortunately, the softwares that I use are private softwares that I've coded over the years. I know this is not things that you find online. This is things. Okay, guys, buyers are really picking up on Nasdaq. They are really ramping up. So let's see. The buyers are new. Yes, only this one that is short now. See, we need the confirmation for long. We don't have it, is it? Yeah, we don't have. So we need all of them to agree with us. So that's why we are not taking any trade now.
1, 2, 3 have to be blue.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yes. So we are short with this guy. This guy is saying no. Things are not yet sweet. So that's why we have to wait now. Like, guys, I'm not in any trade. So, you know what? The buyers are trying on Nasdaq, but they are slowly getting resistance from the sellers. So we don't know now. You can use candlestick to confirm entries. Yeah, you can, but do not base your trades on candlestick formation, my guy. You'll find a pin buy in the middle of nowhere. You take a trade, it works you hard, and then you wonder why, because you got a pin bar. So which platform can help since you don't do mentorship? You know what, man? It's tricky because there's a lot of sharks out there that don't trade, that just take people's monies and thingy. So for me to refer you to someone else that I can say, or a platform, I'll be lying, my guy. I will be lying. I was lucky to be mentored by one guy that is, you know what, I think one of the best traders in the world. But then he taught me the hard way. I mean, he taught me the hard way. If I mean the hard way, he used to tell me, go do it, go do the work, go do this. I didn't understand that what he meant by saying that, but I mean, it has helped me. The fact that I did the digging and did the work, that's why I'm where I am. So, guys, we are trading Nasdaq, but we are not in any trade now. Remember, we're on a buy. that we exited with small profit. Now we are still waiting for another trade setup. But in the meantime, while you're still waiting, if you have any questions, kindly make sure that you type them on the chat box. I see the funny thing is I'm new on TikTok, but there's more active people on TikTok more than Instagram. So I don't know how this one works. I don't even know how this one works. There's more active people on TikTok than on my Instagram, and I'm new on TikTok. In fact, I'm not new, but I started recently to really post things on TikTok. I didn't really care about TikTok until recently, where I started posting some few videos and stuff on TikTok. But guys, you can shoot any questions. You can shoot any questions. While it's still waiting, you can shoot questions while it's still waiting for a setup. Right now, there's no trade setup. There's no trade. Do not be fooled into taking any trade right now, because currently there's no trade. You just have to sit and wait and talk nonsense on this chart until we get a trade set up. Then we can, yeah. What questions do you guys have? Robinson 1158. I don't know why you're requesting to be on my video. I don't know why, my guy, or you pressed that thing by mistake. Guys, any questions? Any questions? We're still waiting for another trade setup. We're still waiting for another trade setup. Victor Maduna, or Maduna, I'm sure. Victor Maduna, like the tips that I can give you, my guys, this one. You need to understand VSA. You need to understand volume spread analysis. You need to understand VSA. If you understand VSA, that's when you'll understand a lot about trading. So you need to understand VSA, my guy. If you understand VSA, you'll understand how do you combine your fundamentals with your technicals. Can I tell you something that I've discovered about trading? Fundamentals are nonsense, guys. I know people will say, you know what, I'm talking nonsense as well. Buyers are coming back again on Nasdaq, but still, fundamentals. Have you ever realized something about fundamentals? But let me tell you something. I don't know why this one. Let me tell you something about fundamentals. I don't know why this phone is it because it's getting too hot. Yeah. Okay. Right. I got a question, guys. How do you combine your fundamentals with technicals? I don't know. I'm trying to make sure, guys. I'm not in any trade, by the way. So just wait. If you trading, just chill a little bit. Let's see what sets up. Okay, finally, I'm back on Instagram. Okay, right. I got a question from one of Usizwe Matinise. He says, how do you combine your fundamentals and technicals? Sizwe, let me reply you on that. Fundamentals, according to me, they are garbage. Fundamentals are garbage. Why? Remember, fundamentals are announced on the biggest platform in the world. In fact, biggest platforms. Your Forex Factory, your FX Live, or your whatever Forex news that is out there. Do you think these guys can give you fundamentals of an announcement, right, about a certain currency and put it on a world platform that everybody can see and give you the right information for you to make money? Let me repeat this again. Fundamentals are announced on things like Forex Factory, right? Most of the time, when they understand announce the fundamentals, they've already factored in the price. So at 2:30 or whatever time, maybe it's non-farm, you find the market shooting up. Already the orders were ready that when the clock strikes 2:30, the algorithms just buy. But the funny part is, even after that initial jump, when the news is good for that pair, you find that it jumps up, yes, maybe 60, 70 pips, and then immediately reverses against that and never goes up again. And the news were good. And you ask yourself, But I looked at the Forex Factory, the news were good about the dollar, but the dollar is not strengthening. What is happening? They use that as a trap. So the most important thing when you are trading is what you see on the chart. I know some traders will tell you, no, fundamentals are the best. I'm a fundamental trader. If you see someone making a good decision about fundamentals, they are guessing. You guess the direction. You take a trade before they announce, and you guess, and your guess, if your guess is right, it goes your direction. Because sometimes you find that there's two news announcements. The other one would be good, the other one would be bad. So which one do you take then? You get trapped that way. So remember, guys, I told you that buy is not really good on Nasdaq. I said that wait, it's not really giving. So you see how it's reversing again now. So wait a minute, it's time to chill and have a chat, because right now there isn't much that is happening. You see, nothing happens. How do you get courage to start again? Ngobi, my brother, in things of Chela is that there's nothing easy in the world. There's nothing simple in the world. Everything is difficult. In the world, everything is difficult. To go to school is difficult. To get a degree is difficult. To raise a child is difficult. Everything in the world is difficult. So with trading is one of the most difficult things in the world, but you just have to keep on going. You just have, you know what helps me personally, the courage. I watch YouTube videos, motivational videos that keep on pumping me and pumping me and pumping me. That is my secret. I watch YouTube videos because they make sure that they pump me. Hey, Fochi. Hey, Fochi is saying he's joining Forex very soon. Hey, man. Hey, it's tough, this thing, but hey, the rewards, eh? It's nice, but you must join us and come and stress with us here and lose money and make money here. Yeah. So, Mlaba says supply and demand. Yes, supply and demand works, man. Supply and demand works. But let me give you a trick about supply and demand. Let me give you a secret about supply and demand. Watch how the volume reacts when it gets to supply and demand levels. If the market goes to a demand level and you find that the volume is very high, it will push through that level as if it doesn't even exist. It will slice through. But when you see the market going there and the volume is dropping, you must know that with high probability that level will hold. I've said it. If you felt like quitting, yeah, several times. In fact, I felt like quitting when I was starting to trade. Now I don't feel like quitting because now my skin is, I've got a tough skin. What do you call this thing? All right, guys, this really Nasdaq is setting up for a short now. Nasdaq is setting up for a short. So for people that got in long, they might be in trouble now. They might be in big trouble because this thing wants to go short now. Yeah. Would you agree that the psychology of trader lays on risk management? Yeah, psychology is everything. Psychology is everything. Psychology is everything. Even right now, you see, I'm actually on a platform where I'm talking about trading and trading live. Psychologically, the fact that I'm trading here money and I'm talking to you and I'm taking trades right here, psychological, that is already weighing on my brain. It's not easy because I might take a trade, then it loses. Then someone says, oh, Sonny took a trade and lost. But losses are part of the trade. In anything in life, winning is losing. Winning is losing. You cannot win without losing. In whatever you do in life, you cannot win without losing. You know? So for you to win in terms of weight, you have to lose that weight for you to win. Do you get my point? For you to be the best athlete, for you to be the best runner, you have to lose by going to the ground and training and running, and that's losing. You are losing your time. You are losing your shoes there. The shoes are getting older, your running shoes. But you will have to make sure that you go through that process of losing. In anything in life, if you do not lose, you'll never win, guys. You'll never win. Allow yourself to lose in order to win. I've summed it up for you. Do you believe in mastering 1 or 2 setups rather than 5 or 6? Yes. You see, today, You see what the markets are doing now? They're just spiking up and down, up and down. They are not giving us a really clear trade direction. We had a lovely trade when the session opened, but right now, these guys are back into battling out and fighting up and down. So that is my setup. My setup is simple. I wait for the buyers to lose control, then I take a sell. For my sell setup, I wait for the buyers to lose control, then I take a buy. Yep. Who's asking?
YouTube.
YouTube. There's nothing there.
Click on that.
Do you trust bonuses? No, do not take that. Bonuses are a scam. I'm telling you, any broker that will give you a bonus, run away. Run away. I hope there are no brokers that are watching this video and they are doing that, because I hate that shit. Honestly speaking, I hate these brokers that give you bonuses, because that bonus is a scam. Don't take any trading bonus from anyone, because you're trading with fake money. You know, you end up over leveraging because you've got fake money in your account, and the moment you lose your money in the account, they take their bonus out, and then you wonder what happened. It's because at the end of the day, you were trading with wrong money. You know. Do you offer signals? Definitely not. Partner Donald, I do not offer signals because I don't want to take people's monies. And you know what? I'm the type of a guy that wants to go to a club and enjoy my glass of whiskey or my champagne without anyone pointing a finger at me and says, look at that guy, he's drinking champagne because of my money. Look at that guy, he's drinking champagne because I paid for the signals. No, I do not want people's monies. When I trade alone, I fight alone, I lose alone, I cry alone, I laugh alone. No signals, not at all.
Daddy,
Yeah.
do you use systems?
Do you use what?
Systems.
No, I have got one system that I use. Right, my trading system. This one.
Okay.
Right, guys, looks like we're still having a battle between buyers and sellers on Nasdaq. We're going to get a trade. If you're patient, you're trading Nasdaq, I'm going to give you a winning trade today. Maybe one or two. Maybe one or two. We'll get one, guys. Don't worry. Unless I'm feeling tired, then I will step away. But for now, mental, I'm still okay. Peace over everything, Tony. Peace over everything, man. We want peace. When you're a trader, remember, when you're a trader, you want to make money with trading. You don't want to make money with making people pay you for things like signals, like courses, like this and that, like that. No, I don't do that nonsense, guys. Sorry. Sorry to call it nonsense, because there's other people that will think, oh, it's a good business too. Maybe one day, but I don't think so, guys. I don't like, let me not even say one day. I don't think I'll do it. Nah, it's not for me. It's not my cup of tea. My cup of tea is looking at the markets and fighting it.
Did you read this one?
Broke any without a mentor. Ish. You know what? To learn something without a mentor is also tricky, man. Ish. It's also tricky. It's also tricky. Nasdaq is becoming nonsense now, guys. Nasdaq is becoming nonsense. What do I mean? Because this thing is just thing going up and down. It's not really doing anything. If you go on the 5 minute, you see that there's nonsense happening in Nasdaq right now. It's buyers and sellers just battling it out, and there's no one taking charge. We only want to trade when someone is winning. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, trading, focus on mastering a skill and focus on making sure you understand the skill. Yeah, but yeah, 1 minute is nothing, guys. There's nothing now. There's nothing now. But anyway, we'll get a break. Can't go like this forever, right? You can't be on the sideways move forever. It will break out to some stage. Yeah, we have got consolidation on 1 minute. So yes, Karabo K Soul, you are right, my guy. You are right. There's consolidation. The markets are moving sideways. There's nothing much that is happening. So we're just going to chill and wait now and talk. Let's talk.
Really?
Yeah.
When are we actually going to like start
Yeah.
the trading using the computer and stuff?
Yeah, and remember, I've got that computer that I need to load everything for you.
But I thought you already said you already did that.
No, just relax, my guy. When I learn everything,
But I want to start making money, bro.
like, relax, my guy.
Come on, bro.
It's not as easy like you're just going to. You need to relax.
Okay, dude, let's make a deal.
Yeah.
Whatever you make from today, I get 50%.
Like, why?
Why not? I get
I
50%.
already pay your school fees. I already pay where you live. I already buy your food. So technically, I'm already giving you my trading money. Dum.
Okay, fine. 5%. 5%.
Guys, this guy. Look at this guy.
5%.
You are not even on my camera here. You're talking nonsense.
5%.
5% of what?
Of whatever you make from today.
Oh, see, let's trade. Guys, there's nothing here now. I don't know. It's getting boring. Just that when the setup comes, maybe I'll be off this live so that I can show you some things. But for now, I just wanted to show you guys exactly how you take your trade and how you exit your trade. You know. So now there's nothing much that is happening. The markets are moving sideways. They are basically, yeah.
Today, I thought you said yesterday that we're going to cut our hair. Like today.
Yeah, but let's trade first and make the money.
Okay. Will we go tomorrow or today?
Cutting our hair is the last option.
So
It's the last priority. I mean, like, money is the priority.
okay, I'm asking you, are we gonna go today or tomorrow? Maybe after
My
trading.
guy, it can even be weekend. If I make money early in the morning, then I don't trade in the afternoon. Sorry, guys, we are talking our own affairs here. But yeah, guys, we are trading Nasdaq live. But right now, there's no trade. If you're trading Nasdaq, there's no trade. Okay, tell me, is there any trade that you guys want me to look at? Is there anyone who's in any trade, any other trade? Any other trade? Are you in GBP? Are you in what? Let me check your trade. Let me check your trade. You are buy on gold. Let me check your gold. Let me check gold quickly. I will show you if I hate gold as well. That thing is too fast. It's too fast for me. I want something that will give me time to think.
More gifts, more gifts, more gifts, more gifts.
Okay, gold. I'll tell you my setup on gold, guys. The video ended. What happened? Why did it end?
Which one?
This one. Did you press anything there?
No, I was doing here.
Okay.
Wait, I want to do something.
Just. Gold. Someone said he's on gold. Someone said they're on gold. On buy. Let's check your gold. Who said they're on gold? Just bring the phone. Someone said they're on gold long. There was a nice, beautiful gold setup, eh? There was a nice gold setup. Let me reverse the camera. Where is the thing? What did you do, my guy?
Wait. Forgot how you use the camera.
Like, how did you?
Just do this.
No, man.
I don't even know what I forgot how
Yeah,
you
but guys, I don't even know what happened because I want to show you the gold setup. Someone said they're on gold. Who said they're on gold? Osama. I'm trying to reverse my camera now. I don't even know how you do it. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I can't flip for some strange reason, I can't flip my camera, but you can't even see. That's a gold thingy. Can't even see now. But gold, yes. Gold was on a buy until, let me tell you, if you're on a gold buy, you need to be careful now because now the buyers that were there, they are not that strong. They might step in, but they are not strong. Trust me. So gold was on a buy from session open until roughly 1957. Yeah, 1957. That was gold. The gold's buyers expired on 1957. The price 1957. That's when the gold buyers expired. So yes, gold was long. It's going up now, but it's not really convincing right now. This buy is not convincing me. This might reverse anytime now. This thing might reverse anytime now. Let's go live one more time on Instagram.
Wait, I'll still do something.
Okay. I don't even know what you did to that camera because now it's not working anymore.
You can't even switch cameras on TikTok.
You can?
Yes, you can.
Okay. All right, we are back. Okay, guys, I'm closing the gold chart so that I don't get distracted. Right. We're still trading Nasdaq live. We are still on live Nasdaq trading, guys.
You're asking for gifts.
We are still on Nasdaq live trading, so that people don't wonder why what's happening, guys. Yeah, we are on Nasdaq live trading, guys. Nasdaq, there's nothing for now. Please, if you're in a trade, just make sure you look for the door, look for the exit. On Nasdaq, if you're trading, look for the door, look for the exit, because there's nothing to trade right now. We are on live trading Nasdaq. Call your trader friends, let's chat. Right now, guys, I'm bored because there's no setup. Right now, guys, there's no setup on trading. I'm bored. Let's go for the questions. Let's see if we can answer some questions.
Okay.
No, it's not easy, Tony, man. It's not easy. If I say easy, I'll be lying, my man. It's difficult. This thing is difficult, but it's rewarding. Trading is one of the best businesses in the world when you get it right. If you're on Nasdaq, guys, get out. Get out and wait. Wait. So far, markets are now boring, guys. The markets are boring. There's nothing much happening. There's nothing much happening, guys. So, nothing much is happening. Right, I don't know if you guys have got any questions now. Because honestly speaking, guys, there's nothing here. Unless a miracle happens now, we start getting buyers coming in or something. But for now, nothing is happening.
So for now, we just wait and relax.
Yeah, for now, it's just a waiting game.
Okay.
There's nothing. You see, it's moving. So you see here, dead. Can you see that now? What's happening?
I see.
Yeah. Let me do this. See, there's nothing here. Currently nothing. Currently nothing. If you're trading Nasdaq right now, guys, there's nothing. Just wait, chill, take a walk, go drink a glass of cold water until this thing clears this highs and lows and this consolidation area. Because right now, honestly speaking, there's nothing. Now we can just chat, or I can come back later when I see a setup, and then we can resume from that. You know? But for now, I don't see anything. Which time frame do you start when analyzing? I don't analyze, but I trade on a 1 minute time frame. Victor, I have to stress that point that when I trade, I do not analyze the markets. I do not analyze. You see, right now, the markets are in a range. I don't analyze. I need a breakout. And I need a breakout that is supported by volume. Then I'll take a trade. That's all. I don't analyze. because analyzing is the one that will confuse you. You look at lights, you look at this, you look at that. I don't analyze anymore. Analyzing is a difficult way of making money. You make money when you analyze, you know, but that's like stretching your brain now, because if it doesn't do what you analyzed, you still stick to your analysis, then you don't shift your mindset even if it's going against you. Then you blow an account, because now you said you analyze, this thing has to go up, this thing has to go up, this thing goes down, and you still stuck to it has to go up, it has to go up. Because you analyze, you're only looking for an uptrend, whereas the markets have told you, wait a minute, my guy, I am going down now, let's sell me, and you are still buying me. And the guy tells you, sell me, you are still buying, then you blow an account because of analyzing. Stop analyzing. Focus on what the markets tell you. Focus on what the markets are showing you. Markets are going up, you buy. Markets are going down, you sell. As simple as it. It's not as simple as it, guys. I don't want to simplify this thing as if it's too simple. Alright, guys, I'm struggling. Especially, I'll end the stream on YouTube because